I want to create a design, custom size. It's going to be 44 by 36 and create that design. Now bring in, you're gonna upload the design that you want to do your all over shirt for. So we're just gonna head over to uploads, and this is what we wanna do. And we're gonna make it bigger. This person, this is the size. So then we're gonna duplicate this one more time, just so that it fills the whole page. Now I'm gonna go a little bit closer in because I want to make sure that when I duplicate it that there's no white right there, and there's not. Well, there's a slight little line. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna click on the bottom one, click on the bottom or top. I clicked on the bottom one, and I'm just going to hit my up arrow a couple of times so that it covers that gap. So now there's no white showing. Now I'm gonna also upload again, and now this is my template for all over shirts. That just is gonna make this a shirt template. So I'm just gonna make that the size of the canvas. So that should be 44 by 36. Now that that's completed, that is all I have to do in Canva. I'm gonna share, download. I'm gonna move this to 3 because I like to do as max quality, and I'm gonna download it out. I'm going to open Adobe Acrobat, and I'm going to do menu, open, and instead of Adobe PDF files, I'm going to say all files, and I'm going to open up the last picture file that we have, and I'm going to click open. Once you have your design uploaded into Adobe Acrobat, I'll go to menu, print, select your printer. We're going to select the Workforce 7720. Hit properties. This is where you select your document size. So for here, I'm going to use 13 by 19 for this example. You will also need to change your settings. So our typical settings are premium presentation paper matte, high quality, color, print preview. We would go to more, custom, advanced, color controls, Adobe RGB, hit OK. We would mirror image, turn high speed off, hit OK. Now that the settings are done, this is the size of, this is showing you the preview of what it will look like printed. So instead of regularly, you would see size here, just as regular size sheet of paper, like if your paper would print like that, but we want to print as a poster because it'll print multiple sheets of paper. The tile scale should be 100% for this one, for 13 by 19, because we want multiple sheets of paper. This is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of paper. If we were to scale this to, let's say, 80%, it's going to use less sheets of paper. But if you recall, our design is 44 inches by 36 inches. So if I look here, it's saying 38.85 by 38.03. That means that it is not covering the full length as I would have expected it to cover. So I want to keep sizing this up until it is the max size for 44 by 36. So this is better, 51.8 by 38.03, but it looks like it could probably fill the page a little bit more, which is why I go to 100%, and you'll see that this gets bigger on the sheet of paper. So if you go to 100%, you'll see that it's 51.8 by 38.03, and you'll see that it's very nicely put in Print scale will give you 8 sheets of paper, which should be enough sheets of paper in order for you to make 44 by 36. Here you can do a little bit of overlap, which you do need. So I like to do the overlap of 0.05 as my overlap. It still keeps it at 8 inches, and then you would just print, and that is it.